Throw powdered milk and condensed milk directly into the cake pan, and you'll be surprised by the results. In a mold, add 6 tablespoons of powdered milk and then 200 grams of condensed milk. Next, let's set this mold aside. In a larger container, we will use a package of ready-made cake mix. If you prefer, you can make the cake of your choice. I will add 200 milliliters of milk and 2 eggs. I also used 3 tablespoons of chocolate powder and just mix it all together really well. With the dough ready, all we have to do is add it to our cake pan. Now let's take this pan and put it in the oven at 180 degrees and leave it there for 35 minutes. After this time, just take a plate and let's flip the cake onto it. Guys, it's very important to flip the cake while it's still hot to unmold it and make sure the bottom doesn't stick. And look how incredible this cake looks, guys. Super quick, easy, and delicious. And it comes out of the oven stuffed. Look how delicious it is. Try it at your home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you liked it. This was another recipe here from Pobre na Cocina. A big hug until next time, and thank you.